Hello and welcome to another out of spec video. You joined me here in my garage again. I actually just got the Taycan back. I got my window broken into like 3 weeks ago when I finally got it back yesterday. Long story. So for the longest time I've been actually searching for cost-effective EV. So I've been having alerts on multiple websites for vehicles such as Fiat 500e, Mini Cooper SE, and BMW i3. Not really into the Nissan Leaf or the Chevy Volt. I apologize, but it's not really my style. Also a smart electric vehicle, and it's been probably like 2-3 months, and all the prices are just so ridiculously overpriced. I remember the i3s were so cost effective like 2-3 years ago, and now it's almost impossible to find something affordable. So finally, I got this alert, and there is this vehicle located at a BMW dealership in Berkeley. So I guess that somebody traded in a car for that one, and it's available. The current price right now is $10,000. So we're gonna go see it. We're gonna test drive it. And I know that some of you guys will say, like, why do you need a second car? You already have a cool car, just drive it. I'm all about driving vehicles. Our cars are meant to be driven. I'm all about it. I'm not gonna baby this car. But the whole purpose is for my work commute. My work commute is 7 miles round trip, and then my car just sits there for hours. And it's a black paint car. So when you think about it, you go to a location and your car is just there sitting under the sun. It hurts. It totally hurts. So that was the whole purpose. Like, I just want to take a vehicle, an electric vehicle, to work, park it there all day, then go home, no worry about the battery, no worry about rock chips or anything. And that way I can drive this vehicle for pleasure. So that's the whole purpose. All right, let's get going. So we made it to the destination. We're gonna go test drive this beautiful Fiat 500e. Look at this. This is perfect. I mean, why would you install that on your quarter panel? That's just bad. Paint looks good. Those wheels have to go. Oh, there's some damage on the rocker panel molding. Yes, those wheels are kind of ugly. The front fascia, it needs some love for sure. I think it's been repainted. It has orange texture, but that's an easy fix. And the little weather strip right here on the fender, little molding, it's also bad. Let's see the interior. Oh, what is this? Ooh. Look at that.
What a fun mobile.
Oh, gee.
I can see what that guy was saying. You feel like you're sitting on the seat, not in it.
This is nice. The purpose of this car is literally for little city commute here and there. We actually have a sunroof with sunshade.
That's nice.
That's great. That's awesome. All right, let's start it. Oh, okay. That's it. That's kind of weird, the way you started. But now it says ready, so I'm assuming it's ready. It is hot today in Berkeley. It's not 73 degrees, it says that, but it's actually 86. That in my books is hot. Alright, so this is the first time that we're actually gonna drive this. Apparently you press a button right here. So the car has 47,655 miles. Honestly, this car is tiny, but you're actually sitting pretty high. Like, I see everything. I don't even see the hood. Let's close the windows. It has Sirius XM apparently. Oh, you see some wear and tear. Let's punch it! Oh god, it's so slow. It feels so weird. I'm not used to this little... This is a very small car. We're gonna go straight because we really don't want to go into the highway. It's traffic time right now here in the Bay Area. So, woo! It's pretty cool how it goes from eco, charge to power. So that's pretty nice. This is a 2013 Fiat 500e, so it's pretty interesting. Non-existing.
Non-existing.
Well, I'm 5'11", so yeah, if you are a tall person, this car is not gonna work. 85 miles. 97%, so car probably has like 90 something miles of range. And this is pretty interesting. So far, it's a good experience. Oh, there's something going on right here with the weather stripping, but that's an easy fix. And yeah, you can actually adjust the steering wheel. Oh, just up and down, that's it. That's unfortunate, but whatever. So this is the moment of truth. You usually don't want to open sunroofs in all of the cars, but let's see if this works. Oh, it does work. Woo! Look at that. Oh, that looks cool. I bet it looks actually pretty sporty from outside. And it does have a full code with, seems like the tail lamp. So we'll mention that to the salesperson. So apparently, it has premium sound system, but we just listened to some tunes on Sirius XM and it doesn't sound that premium. We're not gonna play any music for copyright reasons. And this is how you park it. I don't think I'm gonna get used to that. Decent space. Oh, there's a charger. And yeah, like there's not a lot of space at all because we're tall people, but we would probably just use this. Yeah, we would probably put the seats down and just use it as a trunk. And here's the CCS. Need some cleaning. We are still gonna remove that. We find another issue. This thing seems like it's broken. So we'll mention that to him. So this, unlike an EV, if you let go of the brake pedal, it actually starts creeping. Honestly, the region in this car though, it's not the greatest. It almost feels like a internal combustion engine vehicle. It's like non-existing region. Like I'm gonna do an acceleration and it's still going. I'm not praising anything, it's still going like a normal gasoline powered vehicle. So I had to press the brake pedal and that's how you region in this Fiat 500e. Oh, there was an alternative, an i3, but they are so expensive right now. There's plenty of space for groceries, and that's how we're actually gonna drive it. That's perfect. So unfortunately, as you saw, the car has a fault code and it has a couple of more issues, especially with the steering wheel. So the car is gonna be at the dealership for a few days until they fix this. Instead of having a due bill, I just rather them fix this so that way we don't have to go back. And then once it's ready, they'll give us a call and we'll go pick it up. So it's been 7 days since we actually went to test drive the Fiat. I just got that phone call from the dealership. The car is done. We'll go pick it up tomorrow morning. We'll finalize the paperwork. Final price, $7,490.
OMW, on my way to you. Good at what I do. I'm OMW. Watch me walk away, putting myself on display. 1, 2, 3 a day. I'm on my way, on my way. I'ma have you on tiptoes, watching my diamond afterglow. I know you wanna take me home. I'm on.
Let's go Fiat time! Woo! I'm really excited actually. Look at that. Woo. Oh wow, is that a CD? How do we play this? All right, so it's official. We own it. So this car, it's a 2013 Fiat 500e, capable of 111 horsepower, 147 pound-feet of torque, and it's powered by a 24 kilowatt hour battery. So the range should be not the greatest, but it's a great commuter. $7,500, 2013, 47,000 miles. This is just amazing. Tell me right now in 2022 where you can find an EV at this price. You won't find it. 91 miles of range. Let's see if we make it home. I kind of like the way it sounds. I am definitely going to.
Nothing left to prove. So enjoy the view, taking a picture like Malibu. I'ma have you on tiptoes, watching my diamond afterglow. I know you wanna take me home. I'm on my way, on my way.
Cool that it actually has parking sensors. No camera. In 2013, the government was not forcing people to have camera, but at least you have sensors. All right, so we're actually about to start driving. We're going home. Right now it's 100% charged, 101 miles of range. Let's see how that holds up. Let's see if we actually make it home. We're like 80% or whatever. Let's see. I have no idea what to expect, honestly. I've never owned an EV with such a little range. So I'm not expecting to actually have more than 30% when we get home. We're like 30 minutes away from home, so, but I don't know. Let's go.
I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you like la 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 la. I love you like la 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 la. I love you, I love you, I love you like la 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 la. I love you like la.
So far so good. It's really smooth. Surprisingly, it's comfortable. The seats are not the greatest, like for a long road trip, but I mean, with this range, it's impossible.
I love you like la la.
We finally made it home. This car is so small that it actually fits in this little tiny area, so that's perfect. The range now is... range left is 51%, and I was driving kind of hard, so that means that probably if you drive fast you get like 60 miles or so, but if you drive it more smooth probably you get like 80 miles. That's my theory, but it's overall it's a great purchase. It's really nice, it's really cheap. The whole purpose is for a commute, and it's just convenient. But that area where I'm able to park it is not gonna intervene with the Corvette or the Taycan. It's perfect. All right, so that's pretty much it. We'll keep recording more stuff regarding the Fiat 500e. We're super excited about this purchase, so be sure that there will be more content.